Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, right? Welcome back to developing the village, which I have not abandoned. Surprise, surprise. It's been just super busy past months, but let's get back to work. What do we have? That's where we left off. I might have done a little bit more UI work, placement stuff. After that, off the stream, just slight adjustments to where things are. But this is gonna take some effort to get back to, as I don't remember much. But let's take a look. I remember I've updated the project to .NET 9, which came out. Here's my to-do list. That's the UI reference, maybe. Sorts. It's yeah, it should somewhat correspond to things as of now. And I can see some other changes were made. Let's take a brief look. Yeah, some UI stuff. I remember nothing. This is gonna be painful now, but let's get to it. The topic I would like to do next is where is it? Story quests. If you take a look again at the UI, it's actually not. Yeah, it's there, the yellow box where the main quest should appear and be there until you solve them, and then get the next one and next one, and then you get the final one and you win. So, what we need? The initial idea is to that the story quest, let's call it that, story quests will be slightly different than a normal quest we already have, in a sense that it's just gonna be something like, hey, kill 5 monsters. Once you do, you move on. Or, hey, solve 5 normal quests. Something like that. Or maybe collect and pay some amount of different resources. Could be another one, or whatever we think of. Let me know in the comments if you've got any ideas. So, where to start? I guess we need something like a story quest entity. Don't have any images for that yet. And wait, let's leave the UI there. So for the placement, let's use this, if I remember correctly, let's see the dial. I think that's 256 by 256. But do we have that? Where could it be? Phases. Yeah, 256. Okay. So I made a class with the positions, with probably this green one. Okay, and that's where I'm positioning stuff. Quest size. So let's do some. We don't need that. Can do something like this. Let's call it story quest based position. And it's gonna be, let's see. Let's find the face thing. If it's in the F face. Dial. Does it have a position? I don't know. I need to find where we created this. There. Okay. We are just counting from the right edge. Great. That's not something I wanted, but do we have the dark level then? Which is, okay, no idea where. There's gonna be a lot of poking around, searching, and trying to remember stuff. The darkness. I don't know if it's that or the other one. I don't think I've got this yet. So it's probably not that. No, let's just put it somewhere. Yeah, and we still have the origin in the middle. Strangely. Do we? Okay. Then I could do this and count up the difference. Well, it's probably not. I don't know. What's the window size? Is it Full HD? Could be that. Yeah, Full HD. Okay. So that's like 1920 minus 128 minus the padding, which I don't know, might be 10. So that's okay. No, 1920, 1782. And for the Y, I don't know. It's not gonna be the same as this because the middle is different. But we can. I don't even know if we got this. Was it? Could be work spots right here. 488. 488. We need to move it 64, I believe, because it's there. Yeah, 64. That's something. 12 and 52. 52. Is that right? Might be. Okay, so we've got this. Let's do a just a dummy image. Oh, let's make it yellow. Okay. Nope. Was some kind of useful. Okay. Gonna do this so we know. Let's see, where do we need this? I don't remember where the project is. Should be able to see this, right? Oh, okay. Nope. So projects the village. Makes sense. Okay, content. Where do we put this? Let's put it in quests. Let's call it, I don't know. Story. Is that it? Yeah. There we go. Is this still working? I wonder. Ah, it is. Perfect. So, there. At story. Yes. Quest slash story, remember? Okay. Right. Okay, back to the meat. Can I reuse the standard quest, or do we make a new stuff? Tempted to do like from scratch because I really need to recover the memory. Yeah, let's do like a story quest. What are we gonna need? Oh, I was also thinking about redoing the requirements to make it not an icon per item or like a piece, but do something similar as with buildings, where if you need like 3 wood, there's gonna be like number 3 and an icon of wood. instead of 3 icons of wood. Can do that later. Yeah, we also need this. Basically all of those. Yeah. I think. I don't know. I really don't remember, I think. Okay. Let's do this. Request. I don't feel like it. Why is this not? Ah. Sure. Sprite has a repaint. Oh. Okay. It's also something I have no idea what it does. Let's see how I'm doing things around buildings. Because... Oh no, it's upgrades. Upgrades. Those got list of costs. Cost needs a resource and a number. Okay. And when we are drawing stuff somewhere, no, oh, there. Oh, we're drawing it just once, I see. Might be wrong. Yeah, but we got the new repaint thing to call this again. If I recall slightly, I've been doing something like that. So, oof. This is tragic. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it from scratch because I really don't have any idea. Let's not do this. I'm gonna need this definitely. Let's find a something like this. Not that. Oh, let's first of all figure out what we want to do. Let's start with something simple, like it will show a number of quests you need to solve before you can move on. Let's do let's do just that and make it more flexible later. I'm actually gonna do it just one purposed class for now, because I really need to start somewhere. And there's gonna be a lot of refactoring later. Okay, sure. Let's do the texture. This is gonna be, is it quest or quests? Quests. Sorry. Not that. Okay. Then the position, it's gonna be UI, stuff like historical space position, I think. Okay, cool. We're gonna need a counter of thingies that you need to solve. So like, I don't know. Oh, right. Was I doing privates or did I not care? There is something like there. Everything's public. Let's stick with that. Progress. Good guess. I'm gonna call it quests left. Like this. Yeah, why not? Okay. You've got a repaint texture. Gotta repaint. What's repaint doing? It's painting onto the thingy. Oof. Okay. So I guess I need to call this. And I need this. It's one of the latest refactors I've done, but that's again months ago. This is just painting the texture, the initial texture we've got there. Now I can add some stuff on top of it, and I want this counter, I think. Okay. So quick easy. Where are we drawing numbers? In the upgrade, probably. Costs there, small font. Hello, dev space. It's been a while, right? I'm very much struggling remembering. I think there was a like large font or big font or whatever it was called. Is there? Or just font. Okay. That's the thing. So that's gonna be quests left and the position. Position could be the position. just not sure. No, it's not. So this is coordinate system is different there. This is just in a scope of the sprite. So this is gonna be origin, I think. Color could maybe be white. Let's do yellow. Okay, so this could maybe do something. You can see when calling repaint, it's calling this repaint texture, which is this. Great. I would like to test this, so I need to initialize this somewhere and draw it. Do we have any idea where we were doing this? I don't. There was something like initialize stuff. Scenes. We've got new round, but that's not it. So I guess we don't have that. So probably in the game manager, you've got initializations of things. Then we've got there we're creating work spots. Great. And we've got a quest manager. Might be a good idea to take a look there. Let's do story quest. Let's call it active story quest. Okay. Oh, can you simplify this? Okay, let's try that. And this is just creating the pool of quests. Let's do active story quest new. Loads the image. Doing just one right now. Yeah. We have a draw active quests. Let's do like active story quests draw. Is this gonna work? No idea. Let's give it a try. I leave it displays bottom. That's right under my camera. Should see. Yeah. Well, can you? Can't. I'm gonna move myself over the. Okay, so there's the. Don't worry about the position, I guess. We'll fix that. I was about to say there's missing the number, but it's yellow over the yellow, which wasn't a good pick, but it's there. There's the number 3. So yeah, It's working. Great. First minor success. Let's make it black. We should move it a little bit to the left and down, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. The important thing is now we need to count down the solved quests. So, how can we do this? First idea would be to create an event whenever a quest is solved. Look, where are we deciding that? Do we have something like resolve? Something like that, maybe, yeah. Resolve. And if this is fulfilled completely, you get the rewards and this kind of thing. And there we could call the event as well. Let's do this. Like, and well, I want to make it static so that it's like global thing for all the quests, I think. And the listener can just join this one thing, right? We don't want to handle every instance of quests. I think, yeah, like that. Let's do it like that. Resolve. Is this how you do it? No. I completely forgot how to do an event. Is this not correct? No, must be like the 11 handle, right? Yeah. Okay. I don't think we need any parameters going in or out. We just need the signal that it happened. I think that's all we need. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll do it there. On resolve invoke, right? Is that so? Sender this, and the arguments are empty. Okay, this could work. Let's attach our thing to this. Can you use action? Yes, I was just thinking about that. Thank you for the suggestion. I mean, like that, right? Let's do the counterpart in the there, I think, probably. The AI guesser is very good. I think that's actually what I want. Including the repaint. Wow, very smart. Is that so? Yeah, I think on that. No, this could work. Then I'll add the check if it's down to 0 and do some other stuff. But that's okay for now. Where's the it was in the game manager there. Or no, it was in the quest manager rather. This one, right? Like quest on resolve, and we'll add I forgot the name. Was it quest? No, decrease quests left, right? That's it. Yeah. Great, great, great. And this could actually be all. Is it? Maybe. It's gonna take a while to solve a quest though. Can you see? Yeah, there's 3 quests left to be solved. There we just need one stone. This should be easy. Now we are in the quest solving phase, so this is solved now. Oh, yeah. Went down to 2. Great. Perfect. Even the repainting's working. Ah, great. Yeah. It took me like 40 minutes to do basically nothing, but hey. Now, when we're going down to 0, stuff will happen, but I'm not gonna pollute this with that logic right now because all of that is currently wrong. I need to make all of that more flexible. Yeah. And for that I would need variant of this and that. I think the rewards are, well, there actually could be some rewards for doing those, right? Other than just moving on with this story. I don't know. Could simply do a like method reference or action that will happen for each. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so what's the next step actually there? Refactoring all of that into something. Oh, and we also need to Where is it again? This is very like again tied to this exact store request. It's not like the usual thing for that. So this needs to be inside the thingies somewhere as well. All right. I think we need to do this. So requests. Requests. I don't know. Let's call it simply solve requests. I'm gonna again keep working just with one. Then this thing. Let's call it store request data. Excuse-moi. Requests. Okay. A texture, definitely. And requirements and rewards. Nope. We are gonna need something totally different and new. Perhaps. Let's see what we need. We need that. Like the what is the purpose of this code? Okay, no. What is the goal of the story quest? Wow. Okay. Keep getting amazed by the AI. Is it this? It's also something new. It's like the code. Okay. I don't even know how it got activated. Is it like for everyone for free? I don't know. Because anytime you open up the studio, it has something different. I did not register for any AI helpers. It just starts popping up. Well, appreciate it. Like what is it? Collect quests, defeat beats and stuff. How can we translate this into the code? Is it I need for this specific thing, I need a counter that counts down. Is it always gonna be the case? I don't know. Probably not. So how do I store the fact that I need a counter? Probably cannot. So there's gonna always be a counter and it either is gonna be used or not. Maybe. Who knows? So let's again just restrain it for now that we are gonna do 2 instances of a story quest. It's gonna be similar. either collecting quests or defeating monsters. It's gonna simplify, and once we come up with different kinds of story quests, we're gonna have to, I don't know, figure it out in the future. Not a today's problem, I guess. So we're gonna need this. We're gonna need something like when we initialize the quest, it needs to listen to the certain events. So something like an action. I'm gonna do it straight there. Is it action? Might be an action. Like on any uh, yep. Without this thing. Action on complete. That is very much possibly true. What happens when the thing is done? We also need another method that will perform when the thing, I don't know, let's call it trigger. So something to initialize the story quest, something that will handle the mechanics of the story quests, and something that will happen when we finish these story quests. Those three are those. And anything else? It might be it. Let me see the current thingy. So this is the trigger. Inside the trigger, can we merge maybe the trigger and complete, because the trigger should call the complete. Oh. Or I don't know. You won't have access to this from that, I think. Is that so? Let's forget that. Let's just do this and that, and something will come up from this. Okay. So that's the constructor. So we're gonna need two actions. Action one, on in it. Action trigger. Okay. I think. Then do the other one. Let's do defeat monsters. Not gonna use this right now, but just so we know. And that was story quest data, right? So when creating quests, How are we doing that? We've got those. There. We inside the constructor we've got the data and it gets redone like that. Do we need the repaint or repaint text? Sure. Where is it? Yeah, because this is also very much tied to the thing. So I guess we need that as well. I still don't have the counter. I'm gonna rename this counter. Okay, then yeah. Okay, I need those things inside the thing, I guess. So this should be there. ID, texture, actions, right? Then we don't want that. How am I gonna call the repaint? With that. This is the position. Okay. For that, I'm gonna need the data. Oof. Let's leave the counter as 3. I'm just gonna make it slightly more flexible, not the amount of flexibility I'm gonna need actually, but baby steps. So yeah, this, then the on init, data on init, trigger, that, perfect. The ID, probably need to set up the ID as well. I'm not gonna need this, but I like to have the option. Now, the on init probably needs to be called. This is certainly not there. Okay, Gonna have to do the factory, and this will tell us whatever else we need to redo. Let's do just one. That whatever this, that's gonna be solve quests. Okay, the data, what does it need? ID, texture, and 2 actions. We've got the ID. Which is this. The texture, I think it's that. Then the 2 actions. First on init. Okay, we're gonna need this to be it. So I don't know. How do we call this? Sorry, solve quests init. Put it there. Perfect. And the same for trigger. I'm gonna omit that. That. Okay, perfect. Tips, the request. Let's call the init. Then we need the data. I need this to request factory for that. Create. Perfect. Yeah, sounds about right. This is okay. Now the main problem is this. Yeah, I don't have the They don't have any access to the data from there, right? I either need to not use the action and have some inputs, outputs. I don't know. Well, first things first, let's attach it to the thing. I'm not even sure I can do that. It could be something like this. I don't know. What's it called? Quest on resolve. What do I attach there? I don't think I have access to that. Where is he getting this? Yeah, doesn't make sense. Yeah. What? Doesn't make sense. That's all wrong. All wrong. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know. I need this to listen to the thing. So I need this instance thingy. Oh. No. Cannot. I mean, it's something like, yeah, the thing I've had. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. I need there to be this. If I provide a thing there, what would it be? is it? There. So I've got this thing. If I do something like this, right? So it would take in the story quest and it would attach itself. Yeah, this might work, I think. Yeah, let's try it like that. I need to change a few things then. Namely this. I do that. Yes. Okay. Try doing this. Then that. And this. Okay. Now we can do this on regular. Yeah. Is this the solution? I don't know. Might be. Who knows? Well, I then need this guy to appear there. How do I do this? That? Probably. Okay, so oof. Is this attaching the thingies? Hopefully. There. Yes. Okay. Ah, it might actually just work. Miracle. I don't know. Is there a better way to do something like this? Let me know. I don't know. Glad to learn a thing or two. Pretty sure there's a more elegant way to do this. That's just the result I've gotten to. Okay, so the second part. So let's say we've attached the thingy to do the thingy, and I think we need to do the very same thing for the other part as well. Yep, pretty sure. Pretty sure to have the access to the thing. Like this. What else? There. There. Oof. Oh. Oh. This is. Do I need this? Not sure. Okay. Wait. Kinda knew this is gonna be tough, but that's a bit more than I was afraid of. I could either was the it's static. I could just simply use this. I could have done probably this from the okay. Not the best, but or I don't know. Whatever. Then we could have a thing there. So we will certainly do this. Can do the repaint then. Anything else I wanna do? Like not right now. So at this point could work like it worked before. Is it gonna? Nope. Something is very much broken. Oh, okay. Then what is? It's gonna be somewhere around there. Let's try just creating the thing. Nope. Okay. Let's see if I've broken it completely. All right. What have I messed with? What? I haven't touched a thing, have I? Oh, it might be maybe this. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we are at this point. So drawing the thing, if we get the thing is not. So what's happening in there? Creating a store request, blah blah blah. Position. Why wouldn't this work? But what's the problem? Request with data. So quests. Quest story should be okay. Is it? Yeah. Those things. I don't see a problem. Okay. How do we do this? We do that. We go start debugging. I'm not gonna be able to see this though. Yeah. Where are we? It should be at the thing already, right? So no. It's not doing anything. And it's not even. Now the debugger on this thing is useless. No idea. Create the request. Why would it work in debugging and not what? No idea. I really don't see the problem. I don't know. Lost. Ah, I know. I know. The usual thing. Holy. Ah, okay. Never mind. Okay. Stupid. Ah, I would like to say, at least I'm gonna learn from the mistake. Keep making the same mistake like over and over again. It's such an easy thing to overlook. Okay. Where is it? Not event manager. Okay. Is this gonna work now? Fine. It should. Okay, you've got 3. We do this, move on. You've got 2. Perfect. Okay. Oof. Saved. Oh, not really. Oh, okay, let's call it a foundation of a thing that might be better in the future. But hey, took me just 1.5 hours to do a counter to go from 3 to 2. Great efficiency. I'm gonna stop right there. Totally exhausted. Coming back to a project that you haven't seen and touched for like 2 months is not a very pleasant thing to do. But hopefully I will have again more time to continue working on this, get back on a horse and recall all the nuances. I did not want to like prepare anything in advance of stream. I wanted to give you the authentic impression of how things go when someone stops working on a project and comes back. Well, as you could imagine and guess, not working too well, so don't do that. Sadly, sometimes you have to, as I did, but it will come back. Thank you for watching. We will be continuing on this. I'll clean up off stream, try to recall as much as I could so that next time we could be more efficient, hopefully. Again, thank you. Have a nice rest of the day. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.